How to make a welcome series email on Klaviyo. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on how to make a welcome series emails on Klaviyo. So let's get started. You will simply log into your Klaviyo and this is where you will get on your dashboard. Then you have to go to flows and it will give you this option right here, welcome series. So I'm going to click on get started. And now we have to choose what kind of series we're looking for. So I'm going to go with newsletter and continue. And there you go, it will take you to your editor where we can edit our welcome series. This is a customized template created by Klaviyo and it helps us create a very good series of welcome email. So how it works is that when someone will subscribe to my newsletter, they will actually receive an email for signing up and it will say, "Thanks for signing up." I can of course edit everything right here, the text and preview as well. And then after 3 days, they will receive another email and it will show them my social media and my different stores. It will be to promote my store. So this is what you can do to promote your business. And then once they receive this one, after 4 days, they will receive another email of our best sellers. And it will show them the best sellers of my store right here of my business. So this is like a welcome series email that we can create with Klaviyo. We can also select different actions such as email, SMS, update profile, notifications, and webhook. Or we can select the timing as well, the days they will be waiting and when they will be receiving the email. Once it's done, then you can just simply go ahead and click on review and turn on and your welcome series will be created on Klaviyo. It helps us save time and promote our business like a pro. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.